Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're planning for August. It's going to be another super simple layout this month. I'm going to be using these really cute stickers from Wish. I was trying to figure out what pen I was going to use on these stickers, but all of the ones I tried kind of bled and smudged. So I tried a couple different ones. Even my Sharpie pen was smudging. So I ended up just using a Staedtler permanent marker that I had, and then I kind of did this faux hand lettering effect on it. I didn't really have a plan here. I was just placing stickers in random places, and I wanted to complement all the lovely gold foiling on the stickers. So I chose a pink marker and a gold marker pen to go along with everything. I can never figure out how many days there are in a month, and I always have to double check. Comment if you're just like me. I always have trouble remembering which months have which number of days. So I'm using this gold pen, and it does have a bit of reflection in it as well. I randomly decided to just add stars, and I really like how it turned out. It turned everything into this pretty celestial theme. So that was my monthly spread, and now we're moving on to the YouTube and Etsy spread. Here I am writing on the stickers with my permanent marker, and all you do there is just fill in all the downstrokes one more time to give it that hand lettering effect, even if you don't have a brush pen. I'm still using this spread, and I love setting it up every month and knowing exactly what the plan is for YouTube and Etsy. I've been working super hard on my Etsy shop, drawing a lot of new coloring pages, so check out my Etsy shop if you're interested in coloring pages or planner printables. And then I also used a brush pen that I got, I believe, from AliExpress. AliExpress haul is still coming, but I got this pen from there, and it is a lot bigger than the Tombow brush pen that I usually use, but for big titles like this, it works fine. Plus it's got a lot of ink in it. And here is my Simplified weekly spread. I'm writing on the sticker again with my permanent marker, and all I do here is I just set up one page for 1 week. I write out my categories, which are a little tracker for movement, so any kind of exercise that I do on that day, I'll mark it off. And then I also have a section for my business stuff, so Etsy, and then also a section for chores, so that's like anything else that I do, grocery shopping or cleaning or anything that any one of those adult tasks that you have to do, whether you like it or not, that goes there. And I like doing it this way because I just got tired of rewriting the same task list every single day. This way I have 1 week and I just tick things off as I go. So here is the final flip through. You can see how reflective these stickers are in a second, and they're so pretty, and the gold pen ink also reflects a little bit, and it's so lovely. I love how this month turned out, so simple and yet so cute. I'll leave a link to these stickers on Wish so you can get them for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. I'd love to hear it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!